Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to install and use Cockpit on our system. Cockpit is a program that can be run on a server, allowing admins to analyze and configure the server from a remote system via web browser. It can be installed on most Linux distributions. So we are going to install it first on our system. To install, we are going to type command on our terminal sudo apt install cockpit and hit enter. And now we need to enter Y to continue. We are done installing cockpit on our system. We can now enable and start the cockpit service. So I'm just gonna clear the terminal first, and we can type in command sudo and systemctl and dash now and enable, and this will be cockpit dot socket, and just hit enter. Now we are going to verify if the service is running. We can type in sudo systemctl, and we are going to check the status, and we are going to type cockpit dot socket and hit enter. And we need to check the output. It is unable and also active. So if you want to connect from a remote system, you can open a browser on your system and type in the IP address of your system running the cockpit service. So I'm just gonna add a local IP for testing, and this is a local host address, and then colon 9090 and hit enter. If you are accessing it from external machine, then you need to pass in the IP address of the server where the cockpit service is running. So I'm just testing on my local system. That's why I added local IP, and the port will be 9090. And here you need to enter your username of your system. So mine is a sim, and I need to enter the password. Let's see, and we're going to log in. And here you can see we are able to log into our system to manage it. And here you can click on networking on the left side. That will display all the networking information on our system. So the cockpit is a web-based graphical interface for servers. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.